It's Saturday morning. I'm at the music park, about to do a brief demonstration on percussion. Check me out.
Boom, boom, boom.
Check it out.
Wow.
I guess I'm a one-hit wonder.